Hey guys, today I'm back with these autumn tip nails. Fall's my favourite season and these nails are the perfect mix of festive and classy. Now, sip your PSLs and learn how I did these nails. I started off with painting my nails with a very light nude colour. And then I applied a quick dry top coat. And then with these chevron vinyls from Twinkle Tea, I just peeled them off the mat and placed them at the tip of my nail. And then with this orange shimmery colour from China Glaze, it's called Swatched Out, I just painted it on that tip at the bottom. And while the polish was still wet, I just peeled off the vinyl. And then with my Moyu London Mother Nature plate and this brown stamping polish, I just stamped this little sort of acorn pattern. I think it's an acorn. And just stamped that on that tip we created. And then finally a smudge resistant top coat. And there you go, these festive fall tip nails for you. If you like these, give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment below and subscribe. Subscribe good. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!